Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Java inheritance and its types with the help of example. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. In Java, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. The new class that is created is known as subclass, and the existing class from where the child class is derived is known as superclass. The extends keyword is used to perform inheritance in Java. For example, in this example, the lion class is created by inheriting the methods and fields from the animal class. Here, lion is the subclass and animal is the superclass. In this example, we have derived a subclass lion from superclass animal. Notice the statements. Here, obj is an object of lion. However, name and info method are the members of the animal class. Since lion inherits the field and method from animal, we are able to access the field and method using the object of the lion. In Java, inheritance is an is-a relationship. That is, we use inheritance only if there exists an is-a relationship between two classes. For example, lion is an animal, bike is a vehicle, apple is a fruit. Here bike can inherit from vehicle, apple can inherit from fruit, and so on. In Java, if a class includes protected fields and methods, then these fields and methods are accessible from the subclass of the class. For example, in this example, we have created a class named vehicle. The class includes a protected field, name and method. The bike class inherits vehicle. Notice the statements. Here, we are able to access the protected field and method of the superclass using the obj object of the subclass. The most important use of inheritance in Java is code reusability. The code that is present in the parent class can be directly used by the child class. There are 5 types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. In single inheritance, a single subclass extends from a single superclass. In multi-level inheritance, a subclass extends from a superclass and then the same subclass acts as a superclass for another class. In hierarchical inheritance, multiple subclasses extend from a single superclass. In multiple inheritance, a single subclass extends from multiple superclasses. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of 2 or more types of inheritance. Here we have combined hierarchical and multiple inheritance to form a hybrid inheritance. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.